Hello and welcome. In this super quick tutorial we're gonna look at how to super quickly make a cool intro. All you gotta do is go to panzoid.com and we're gonna use the clip maker 2 I think it's called, over here. And you just start scrolling down in creations. You can just click creations to see more. Which one here is cool? That's the question. You have to figure this one out for yourself. I'm gonna pick this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press open in clip maker. And now we just press the play button. Alright, and we have a lot of options to configure this thing. We're gonna start with replacing the text. So go to Objects, and here you can drag this thing down to find what you need. Here we have a text, group text. Let's go in there, and it says your and your. And it appears twice because if you look closer, you can see there's red and white. It's basically two 3D models on top of each other. So we're gonna click here on your, and the font we're just gonna leave as it is. Actually, we can just change it. Let's go to smudge stick for this one, and click on the other text. Also change it to smudge stick. Weird. Anyway, so we're gonna change the text. Open source. We're gonna call this one. Have to press enter for it to actually apply. Enter on your keyboard. Bit big, but whatever, you will figure it out for yourself. We can also change the height to maybe 10. Alright. And now we're gonna scroll down over here and change name to bug. And remember to press enter. You can copy the text, go to the other text field, and again, press enter. Now let's play this one back again. Click here and drag to the left and start. Alright, so this is the basics. We can also keep going and change some colors. For example, let's change this light from red to... yeah, why not? Let's go for green. Ugh. Alright, now we gotta change the background, that's for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and select the circle. You have to search around sometimes, figure out which is which. And we're gonna scroll down and change the color also to green. And you know what, let's just go back to the text and change it from red to green as well. There we go. And there we go as well. So now that we're pretty much done with that, let's go to basics. And here you can set the resolution and the frame rate. If you have a gaming channel, you might want 60, everything else 30 is enough. For a preview, I recommend you just make a small render. If you are sure you're done, then depending on the resolution you use on your channel, get 1080p. Or maybe 720p if you're doing smaller videos. We're just gonna go for 720 for this example. Now we're gonna hit the download icon. And the file format might be a problem for the video editor you're using. If your video editor has problems with MKV, it probably also has problems with WebM, so it doesn't make much of a difference. I do have a video on how to convert, so just check the link in the description if you need help with converting from MKV or WebM to MP4. For your final version, you really want extreme quality. For now, we're just gonna go for balanced. And it wants to store file on this device, you will have to allow that. And now we're just waiting. And it's really crucial that you do not close this window, because if you do, it's all gone. You might want to make an account so you can save your projects. But anyways, the renderer is nearly done. And now we can download our video. Watch out, if you don't manually start the download here, you will lose it. Alright, here's the file. I'll just drag it into VLC. So this is how you easily get a cool intro using Panzoid Clipmaker. So now we're just gonna take a look at another template. This one is 2D, at least the title says so. And we're just gonna test play this one. Alright. Alright then, let's get right to business, go to objects and yeah, let's open this up. And we have 3 times the name, so let's just go in the timeline to the right so we can actually see. Alright, here we go. Let's see, we can pull this up again. And of course we're gonna write stuff in here. Let's just call ourselves OSB this time. Press enter. Same. Again. Again. Actually, let's go for OS bug. By the way, have you subscribed yet? You should totally subscribe. So this is not supposed to be custom, my bad, I accidentally clicked that. Alright, everything is in order. And of course, again, we can change colors. We'd have to find all the colors everywhere and make them switch, of course. Let's go for something reddish this time. Oh boy, there are a lot of shapes in here. Welp, I promised, so we gotta do it. Okay, this one is already red. And the text also needs to change color. Over here. Now I don't know why this is green. Weird. I think this is for alpha masks, maybe. Let's just go to black. Oh boy, all these rectangles. Yep, it can be quite the work. Alright, just the bars left. Let's actually make them multicolored. Alright. I'm just gonna set it to... yeah, this time let's do 1080p. Frame rate 30, let's leave it at 30. And in download, let's make this one extreme quality, just so you see how long this takes. And go. This video now is 5000 the speed, it actually took 5 minutes to render. The video is done, let's download it. Here it is, let's play it back. Alright, should have changed this color as well. But this is it! And that's how you make cool, epic intros. Ideally replace the music or make your own, but these are the basics. Please subscribe to support this channel, and have fun making intros on Panzoid. Ciao! Do you feel the